Amazon must-haves Part 49. Upgraded ergonomic magnetic hand warmers, as lipstick size, ultra-thin and light. Magnetic body for holding together. 3 heating levels with 1 button. Press and hold the power button for more than 3 seconds to switch on-off. Short press on the on-off button to adjust the temperature by 3 levels. Works 4 to 6 hours each one. Can also charge your phone on the go. Easy to slip into pocket. UL certified, ensures safe. BASEUS Rain Wing Wiper Repair Tool. Extend the usage time of your car wipers. Wipe without annoying water streaks. With 2 grinding strips, fine and coarse. Fix wipers quickly without hurting your hands.
Please do subscribe for more such videos.